हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब लोग। तो चलिए सीख लेते हैं कलर्स नेम। ये है हमारा पीच कलर, ग्रीन कलर, स्काई ब्लू कलर एंड डार्क ब्लू कलर। तो चलिए क्या लिखने वाले हैं आज हम लिखेंगे स्मॉल और कैपिटल दोनों लेटर लिखने वाले हैं A to Z। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्काई ब्लू कलर A, sky blue color A. A for apple. B. B for banana. B for banana. C. C for cat. C for cat. Very good. D. D for dog. D for dog. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Very nice. Green color. F. F for frog. F for frog. G. G for grapes. G for grapes. Very good. H. H for house. H for house. I. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J. J for jam. J for jam. Blue color. K. K for kite. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M for monkey. M for monkey. N. N for nose. N for nose. O. O for owl. O for owl. Good job. Sky blue color. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R for rat. R for rat. S. S for sunflower. S for sunflower. T. T for tiger. T for tiger. Green color. U. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Now let's revise. A for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jam. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sun. T for tiger. U for unicorn. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. That's it for today, kids. Bye bye. See you in the next class.